Hey everyone, are you ruining your hair without even realizing it? Today, I'm diving into the top 10 common hair care mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Overwashing your hair. Washing your hair too often can strip it of natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Aim for washing it 2-3 times a week and use a sulfate-free shampoo. Second mistake, using hot water. Hot water can be harsh on your hair and scalp. Try lukewarm or cool water for your final rinse to lock in moisture and add shine. Alright, number 3. Towel drying. Rubbing your hair with a towel can cause breakage and frizz. Instead, gently squeeze out the water and use a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Fourth mistake, skipping heat protectant. Whenever you use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray to shield your hair from damage. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Number 5. Tight hairstyles. Constantly wearing tight ponytails or buns can lead to hair breakage and tension alopecia. Try to switch up your hairstyles and give your hair a break. Sixth on the list, ignoring regular trims. Skipping trims can lead to split ends, which travel up the hair shaft and cause more damage. Get a trim every 6-8 weeks to keep your hair healthy. Mistake number 7. Using the wrong brush. Using a brush that's too harsh for your hair type can cause breakage. Find a brush appropriate for your hair type and be gentle. Eighth mistake, overusing dry shampoo. Dry shampoo can be a lifesaver, but using it too often can lead to buildup and scalp issues. Use it sparingly and wash your hair regularly. Number 9, not conditioning properly. Applying conditioner to your roots can weigh down your hair and make it greasy. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends for the best results. And finally, mistake number 10, sleeping on rough pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases can cause friction and breakage. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to protect your hair while you sleep. So, there you have it. 10 common hair care mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and take care of that beautiful hair. Catch you in the next one.